Hi there! Today we're going to learn about how to customize our mini cart page on Wix. So I have my selected website right here, and then we can just go ahead and go to design site and wait for the Wix website editor to load. After the website has done loading, we'll now have our website right here. This is a template website which focuses on selling sports products. We have our cart icon right here, and we can just go ahead first and go to the shopping page and wait for it to load again. That is it. So we now have our mini cart icon right here. You can edit it if you want. You can make it bigger, smaller. You can click on the settings. If you want to change the look of it, you can select from different cart icons right here. You can also edit this where instead of showing the mini cart, you can show the full cart page. And in this website, it shows a side cart instead of a mini cart. So it just depends on the website that you're using, but essentially it's the same thing, the side cart and the mini cart. And then once you're done, you can go ahead and double click. I'm sorry, you can see how the cart icon works. So for example, we can click on preview, and then once we click on the cart icon, a side cart will show up and depicting the selected product of the customer. It displays the price and then all of the other information. And then we can go back to the editor. And we can now edit our side cart. For example, we can just click on settings to see the different settings that we can tweak in our side cart. So you can customize the side cart. You can You can take off the cart title, take off the number of items in the cart, take off the quantity selector. So it depends on what you want. You can experiment on the different features that Wix has. You can change the background color. This one's the divider. This one's the background color. This one's the divider width. This one's the divider padding. So you can just experiment from the different features right here. And then you can also change the text. So for example, the checkout button, instead of saying checkout, you can just say buy now, so on and so forth. And then once you're done again editing your mini cart or your side cart, you can just click on preview again to see how it works in the website. And now we can see our edited mini cart is now active in our Wix website. And that is it for customizing the mini cart on our Wix website. You can just experiment and play with the different features so that you can customize it to your liking. And then that is it. Thank you for watching.